高度全球性嘅經濟 globalize globe G-L-O-B-E 就係地球 global 全球性 globalized 高度全球性的經濟。第二段啦 The government should hone Hong Kong's competitiveness and seize opportunities arising from the mainland's development as well as closer collaboration with Taiwan and Macau. Hone 呢個字咧比較少用啲啦，係要做 verb 啊。其實呢個 hone 咧就係磨刀石 ，verb 就磨刀石。hone 咧 hone Hong Kong's competitiveness， 即係話令到即係磨利。呢個用就係做 verb 啦，就磨利香港嗰個競爭力。And seize opportunities， seize 找緊機會 ，seize opportunity。嗱呢個咧同 C-E-A-S-E 呢個 seize 咧係一樣讀音，但係 C-E-A-S-E 咧係停止喎。seize。The company has ceased to operate since last month。咁啊停止咗運作啦 ，ceased C-E-A-S-E 呢個 seize 咧 ，seize 找緊 S-E-I-Z-E 找緊機會 ，closer collaboration with 咁呢啲講 CEPA 啲成日都係 closer collaboration with 啊 ，closer economic partnership 啦嚇 ，closer collaboration 合作 collaborate 呢個 verb collaboration with closer 緊密嘅合作同乜嘢 closer collaboration with 第三段啦 We were surprised that the chief executive divulged no detailed concrete plans for the development of our financial and professional services sectors.We would like to see a focus on supporting the SME sector and clarity about how the government will reduce unemployment. 我哋覺得好驚訝啦，就 we were surprised. Divulged 咧即係話冇透露 divulge 本來係冇講出嚟嘅，透露出嚟咁就 divulge。佢冇透露到，泄露都係叫 divulge， 係呢個冇披露到 divulge， 本來唔知，而家又唔知，冇透露咁啊。divulged 或者話 did not divulge， 或者 divulge no 咁就係冇啦。detailed 詳細嘅 ，concrete 實質嘅 ，concrete 係其實意思係英麗、毫無例咪 concrete 啦。咁所以咧用呢個嚟做 adjective 咧就係實質嘅 concrete。Do you have concrete plans？ 呢個成日都講 I have some concrete plans， 一個好實質嘅計劃，即係已經定好晒㗎啦，詳細嘅實質嘅計劃 for the development of our financial and professional services sectors 嘅職能範圍就 sectors 啦。And clarity 其實即係清楚啲、清晰嘅。How the government will reduce unemployment？ 點樣減少失業 ？unemployment 失業 unemployment。跟住 closer cooperation between Hong Kong and Guangdong and the improving cross-strait relationship will change the face of the regional economy。如果可以改善到呢啲即係話兩岸嘅跨境嘅關係咧 ，will change the face of the regional economy， 會改變嗰個 regional， 即係我哋香港嗰個經濟或者呢度嘅環境經濟嘅面貌 ，change the face。welfare 呢個係嗰個福利 welfare。More help for the elderly, the sick, drug abusers, battered wives, and job seekers。咁應該要幫啲乜嘢人啦？年老 elderly。The sick 就係話有疾病嘅，呢個 noun 嚟嘅喎。The sick，the sick，咁就呢個 noun 啦。 drug abusers 就係話吸毒者、濫用藥物者。drug abuse 咧就即係濫用咁嘅 abuse。battered wives，battered 即係話打、虐打。battered wives 即係虐妻。battered wives and job seekers，seek 尋找 job seekers， 咁呢即係話嗰啲揾緊工作嘅人，咪叫 job seekers。所以呢個簡單啲嘅方法講，揾工者、尋工作者 job seekers。第一段咧就 drug abuse。Government laboratory to buy machines to test hair for drug residues as part of a pilot study of their use. It will examine whether test results can be used in evidence in court cases and aims to transfer the technology to the testing industry in the long run. 政府嘅化驗室 laboratory 化驗室 laboratory 買一啲儀器咧，佢測試嗰啲頭髮咧，驗頭髮 for drug residues 係驗嗰啲藥物嘅殘留 residue 剩餘嘅，咁呢個係 noun 嚟㗎 residue residue， 咁亦都可以做 adjective residue 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 as part of a pilot study of the use 當係一個試驗計劃 pilot scheme 或者 pilot study 就係一個 pilot 即係先導者即係試驗計劃咁解。你會 examine 睇下 whether test results can be 睇下啲化驗結果咧可唔可以要嚟喺法庭上要嚟做證供 evidence in court cases evidence 證據就 evidence 啦。咁呢個喺法庭上面嘅證據咁就係證供咯 evidence。Transfer the technology to the test industry 將呢個技術轉為一個 testing industry 變咗一個測試嘅工業。Scheme for voluntary drug testing of pupils at schools in Taipo to be completed next year before testing is extended to other districts. Students and parents in Taipo may be asked this month to consent to testing. 咁呢個就係話自願驗毒計劃啦。Scheme for voluntary drug testing 啊，呢個名啦啊，自願 voluntary drug testing 驗毒 scheme 就計劃啊，就 scheme for voluntary drug testing 喺今年完成出年完成咗之後咧，先至係去擴展到去其他嘅區域 extend 伸展到擴展到。學生同埋家長咧，喺大埔嘅學生同家長 ask this month to consent to testing consent to 即係同意 consent to testing 或者 to give consent， 咁呢個 consent 就變咗 noun 啦 give consent 俾同意 to consent 呢個 verb 啦去同意。Plans to relocate Christian Chingshan College, a drug rehabilitation center in South Lantau, to the vacant New Territories Heung Yi Kok Southern District Secondary School in Mui Huo, South Lantau, and to increase the number of people the college can treat from 120 to 200, will proceed once the financial situation of the charity which operates the college is clarified. 咁有啲計劃咧搬遷啊 relocate locate 就位置喺邊度 relocate 擺個位置咁即係搬遷啊，所以 relocate 啊。呢個正生書院咁啊，佢呢個一 comma 跟住解釋呢正生書院係乜嘢嚟嘅咧？